Dash cam footage captured the near-death experience of the driver and passengers of this vehicle.
Hala, 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 kuya atras! Kuya atras! Kuya!
According to the driver of the vehicle, the landslide happened on March 26, while they were passing through Kingoog City, Claveria Villanueva Road in Misamis Oriental.
I am Mr. Dante Salang, currently working in a retail company based in Cebu City. Galing po kaming Barangay Sibulig. This is part of Kingoog City. Doon kami nag-overnight. On the following day, we're about to go home na in Kingoog City together with my friend's wife. Tapos, pagdating namin sa Sitio Palapay in Hingoog City, nakita namin yung mga debris, falling debris, mga maliliit na bato na nakukulog doon. Tapos, akala namin, it's okay lang. Tapos mamaya-maya konti, nagsitakbuhan na yung mga tao doon. Tapos, biglang gumuho na yung malakas na landslide, malaking bato, maraming lupa galing sa bundok.
Hala, 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 kuya atras! Kuya atras! Kuya!
Tapos huminto ako kaagad, and then hindi ako nakapag change gear kasi kailangan ko pang huminto, at saka natulala din ako during that time. Hindi mag-sink in pa sa mind ko na ano yung nangyayari. Nasa harapan ko na pala yung landslide. So ayun, nakikita ko bumagsak yung lupa sa itaas. Then ayun, umatras kami. Yung kasama ko nagsisigaw siya na, "Kuya, atras na tayo, atras na." Kasi natatakot siya baka yung landslide darating din sa amin. It was also in my mind na baka magka-landslide din doon sa lugar na doon kami. Pero gladly, I was thankful si God is helping us, protecting us from danger, no? Yung lupa is doon lang sa ng sasakyan ko, na sa front lang yung mga bato at saka lupa. Hindi tumama siya pero konti, pero hindi naman siya masyado na damage yung sasakyan ko doon sa harapan.
A house was crushed by the landslide. But no one was hurt in the incident.
So far, wala namang nasaktan. Sa nabilitaan ko, walang nasaktan. Safe naman yung mag-ina, tsaka yung mga bata. Nakausap naman namin kasi before kami umalis, nakipagkwentuhan kami sandali sa yung nandoon. Walang bahay lang, nakikita ko na was out talaga siya. Pero according to the report, wala namang tao pala doon kasi nagsisimba sila. Sunday kasi yun. Safe naman lahat yung nakausap ko doon.
The road was temporarily closed for a clearing operation due to the landslide and was reopened the day after.
Wala akong masabi during that time. Tulala ako pagdating namin doon sa bahay doon sa itaas, yung kasama ko na trauma na umiyak yung kasama ko, yung kamay at saka yung tuhod ko nanginginig pa until now.